It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the completely refreshed 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the AT4. Driver's door has power door locks, the programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, AT4 hard badging, power windows, power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice this Sierra comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the power tilt and telescopic steering wheel button, head-up display and information tab, electric park brake, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, trailer mode, some lighting controls and dials including automatic headlamps. The floor mats have a removable carpeted insert, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, jet black interior with Kalahari seat inserts, AT4 embroidery in the headrests, and a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our adaptive cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and to the right are the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our fully customizable driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, rear window slider, interior light buttons, and OnStar. Up next is the rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the screen. This is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It has our shortcut buttons down the side. We have the Bluetooth, audio controls, trailering app, Google Maps, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. That straight line there was for hitch guidance. HD surround vision means we're able to change the camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. This view here is for hitch view. The engine push start button, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, lane departure alert, park assist, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control. This button here rolls all 4 windows down at the same time, no slip matting, USB plugins, the integrated trailer brake controller, dual cup holders, and in front of the center console is the wireless charging pocket. Place your phone in the charging pocket and it will charge your phone for you. Inside the center console, we've got plenty of storage space, some additional USB ports and power plugins, along with a removable tray and the safe down below. At the front of the AT4, we have the completely refreshed front end, signature C-shaped headlamps, red tow hooks, rectangular fog lights, 18-inch aluminum wheels, AT4 hard badging down the side, AT4 high clearance steps, a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the integrated turn signal indicator and black mirror caps, 4 full-size doors, rear tinted windows, keyless entry and keyless start, remote start, the rear window slider, dual exhaust, and the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'll use the key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It also has GMC's 6-way MultiPro tailgate step. By pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down with ease. This tailgate also has the MultiPro tailgate audio system by Kicker. a spray-in box liner with AT4 badging, 12 cargo hooks, LED box lighting, and a power plug-in. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, orange stitching, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, dual cup holders, heated rear outboard seats, the rear fans, USB ports. On the floor, we have floor mats with removable carpeted inserts. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We have behind the seat storage located behind either one of those rear seats, along with under seat storage accessible by lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com, or to stay up to date on all things GMC, click the like and subscribe button.